Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rizwan and you're watching Habico Properties YouTube channel. Today I am present here in the Emaar Sales Pavilion to show you another amazing masterpiece which is upcoming within the 1 or 2 days. On the Friday it's going to launch. Again a branded residences standing right on the tip of the golf course in Dubai Hills Estate. As we can see, it's named as Vida Residences Club Point. You're getting almost two contemporary towers in this. It's divided like Block A, Block B, and the Block C in the middle. You're getting 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms apartments starting from 1.61 million dirhams for a 1 bedroom, 2.3 million dirhams for a 2 bedroom, and 3.4 million dirhams for a 3 bedroom. It's starting prices, so of course there will be difference in the floor height or the view as per it will change. So in the front side you will be having the full golf course views. In the back side you will be having the community view, and you will be having the city skyline view from the other side. All the corner units over here you're getting it's 3 bedrooms, and 1 bedrooms they have given in the middle over here like this, and in this side they have given these are the 2 bedrooms. These are also 2 bedrooms in the each blocks. So it's having perfect kind of combination in the branded residences. Very reasonable price per square feet is around 2200 dirhams to 2500 dirhams per square feet. It's going to be launched on this Friday, which is tomorrow. So if you are interested, you have to be very quick to grab the opportunity to get something in the branded residences of Emaar. It may be the last branded residences which will be in the Dubai Hills. This is the first one which is facing to the golf course, because before they had launched on the park. Let's discuss about the exact location of this plot where it's going to be standing. I'll show you on the bigger mock-up of the Dubai Hills Estate, so let's go. As you can see, this is the mock-up of the whole Dubai Hills Estate. That side is the park and Dubai Hills Mall, and this is the golf course of Dubai Hills 18-hole championship. Huge golf course. So Vida is standing right over there, as you can see, and the exact facing of the building is towards there are some villas which are the Parkway Vistas, as we know that it's on the front of the golf course. So basically above than 7th floor or above than 6th floor you will be having the full views of the lakes inside the golf course, plus also the golf course in the community. So this is the exact location, and it's a very prime location, and it's the first branded residences on the golf course in the Dubai Hills Estate. So if you are interested and want to grab this opportunity to get this masterpiece, then I am going to give my number on the screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime, or if you are internationally based, you can just drop me a WhatsApp. I will be very happy to assist you regarding this amazing masterpiece of Emaar in the Dubai Hills Estate. So I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.